greens to make it perfectly
Yeah.
What's up, by the way?
Cheeky little spirit. Oh, is it? No, it's not spirit, is it?
Poltergeist, Soren.
Yeah, piss the guys. She got.
Where's my
Do
camera?
you have any idea how much that scared me? You sneezed in front of me.
So, bolting?
You should have seen him fucking turn. Jesus Christ. It's crazy.
Because I was in my journal, so I couldn't see what the fuck.
That was great.
Oh, my hairs are
What
sticking up
happened?
because of you.
What happened now? Oh no, what happened? Did you record it? No.
Yeah, stop throwing my shit.
I'm crying.
I'm gonna do a job here. He's dying. No one blessed him. Okay.
What happened?
Itch. I have to itch my whole body now.
What happened?
Empty creepy stuff.
I sneezed and it scared Jerry.
Okay, Terry.
He got like all my hairs to stand up. I wasn't expecting it.
Oh,
Oh, it's on the toilet.
Wait, what?
Is it on the toilet? No, it's not. Wait, is it? No, it is on the toilet.
It is on the toilet. She's taking a shit.
oh.
Oh no!